Hello my fans. So today let's look at a very simple question. Convert 25 degrees Celsius to K. Now you'll be wondering, what is K? K is Kelvin. So convert 25 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. That is the question. So let's solve this one together. So solution. Now to convert 25 degrees Celsius to Kelvin, first, this is temperature, right? In Kelvin, want to convert the temperature to Kelvin. So anytime you want to convert temperature to Kelvin, all you have to do is 273.15 plus the Celsius temperature. So anything you have, just add 273.15. I knew some of you only knew 273. You didn't know about the 0.15. But even if you use 273, you still get your answer correct. So the Kelvin temperature will be equal to 273.15 plus 25, because the Celsius temperature is 25. That was what we were given. So the Kelvin temperature now will become 273.15 plus 25. So you don't even need to press your calculator at this point. You can just say 273.15. Here you'll be having 25, right? 0.00. So this plus this is what? 5. This plus this is what? 1. 3 plus 5 is what? Is 8, right? 7 plus 2 is what? Is 9, right? Then your 2. So this is your Kelvin temperature. So we've converted your Celsius temperature to Kelvin temperature. So anytime you're asked to convert Celsius to Kelvin, what do? Just add 273.15. If you use only 273, you are still correct. I know you like the video. I know you like the short explanation. You can apply this to anyone. So you do this for me. Convert. This is number 1. Number 2, convert 35 degrees Celsius to Kelvin for me. So do this and drop it in the comment section. Please like this video also.